medical specialty, so to be able to really sort of interrogate that is fantastic. A real kind of boost to your practice. You go back home invigorated, actually.
I had the opportunity yesterday during the hands-on training to work together with nurses, experienced nurses, with other colleagues and of course with our participants, and try to show them new techniques that we could integrate in their clinical day practice, and this was really amazing.
You have amazing tools and people over there can learn and you can teach. So that's unbelievable.
This really covers the entire field of basic endoscopy to more advanced. Most of us are very interested in the cutting edge of innovations and new technologies and where that is going to take us and help our patients and improve the quality of the endoscopy care that we give today.